all, I, Srishti Shukla, Assistant Professor, School of Pharmacy, Parul University, on behalf of Parul University, hereby welcome all the distinguished delegates to praise the occasion of the World Pharmacist Day 2020. I would like to request Dr. Lalita Taja, Principal of School of Pharmacy, to deliver the welcome address. Ma'am, please.
Thank you, Madam. On the occasion of World Pharmacist Day 2020, which is on the theme Transforming Global Health, on the behalf of Faculty of Pharmacy, Parul University, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome Dr. Komal Patel Madam, Managing Trustee and Member of Governing Body, Parul University, Dr. M.N. Patel Sir, Honorable Provost, Parul University, Shri Montu Patel Sir, President, Gujarat State Pharmacy Council and Chief Guest of today's program, Dr. Khushbu Mistry Madam, Drug Inspector, FDCA Vadodara, and Guest of Honor of today's program. I would also like to welcome Dr. Abhay Dharamsi Sir, Dean, Faculty of Pharmacy and Principal, Parul Institute of Pharmacy, Dr. Vandana Patel Madam, Dean, Doctoral Studies, Dr. G.S. Chakravarti Sir, Principal of Parul Institute of Pharmacy and Research, Academic Directors of 3 Pharmacy Colleges of Parul University, faculty members and students of all pharmacy colleges. I wholeheartedly welcome all respected judges from Parul Institute of Pharmacy and Parul Institute of Pharmacy and Research and all participants who are from different pharmacy colleges across India. We have received approximately 400 registrations for different events like virtual quiz, e-slogan writing, essay writing competition and e-poster competitions, which we have organized on the occasion of World Pharmacist Day 2020. With a pledge to transform global health, as rightly said by Pharmacy Council of India, I once again welcome you all for the program. Thank you. Over to you,
ma'am. Yes. Now I would like to request Dr. Abhay Dharamsi, Dean of Faculty of Pharmacy, to share a few words with us. Sir, please. Should I continue, ma'am?
Yes, madam. Yes.
Okay. I would like to invite Dr. Vandana Patel, Dean of Doctoral Studies, Parul University, to say a few words. Ma'am, please.
Respected dignitaries on the screen, Shri Montu Bhai Patel, President GSPC, Dr. Khushbu Mistry Madam, Drug Inspector FDCA Vadodara, respected Dr. M.N. Patel Sir, Honorable Provost, Parul University, respected Dr. Komal Patel Ma'am, Managing Trustee Parul University, Dr. Abhay Dharamsi, Dean Faculty of Pharmacy and Principal PIP, Dr. G.S. Chakravarti Sir, Principal PIPR, Dr. Lalita Ma'am, Principal SOP, Dr. Anand Karia, Coordinator, all my colleagues, all respected judges, all participants and all my dear pharmacy friends. A very good afternoon to all of you. On this day, wishing you all very, very happy Pharmacist Day. Today, 25th September, is all about celebrating a noble profession. A day to make an echo of our thoughts, words, vision, and wisdom to offer service to mankind. 25th September was declared as a World Pharmacist Day by FIP, International Pharmaceutical Federation, in 2009. This day was selected because it is the foundation day for FIP. And later on, Pharmacy Council of India in 2013 declared this to be celebrated as a Pharmacist Day every year for all Indian pharmacists. I'm happy to share that in September 2016, National Health Portal, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India has also listed World Pharmacist Day in official annual days. This really gives us a feeling of pride. The main aim of this celebration is to inculcate true spirit among pharmacists, to encourage role and responsibilities of pharmacists in improving health, and to strengthen our commitment to ourselves. So let us commit on this day to ourselves that we will fully involve ourselves in research, thus bringing up new innovations to reduce suffering of people. Every year we get different themes. In 2019, we had a theme of safe and effective medicine for all. This year, the theme is transforming global health. Yes, my friends, it is the real time for transforming ourselves. This theme highlights the transformative role a pharmacist has to play for betterment of life of people, especially in this time of pandemic. I'm really happy to learn that we have got overwhelming response from pharmacy students from all across India for different events. Congratulations to all participants. I'm thankful to Pantubhai Patel and the entire team of GSC for extending all-time support and encouragement for any such kind of event. My special regards to Khushbu ma'am, and my heartfelt thanks to Dr. M.N. Patel sir, Dr. Komal Patel ma'am, and the entire management of Parul University for always supporting us and for being with us today, making us feel special for ourselves. Thank you very much, sir and ma'am. So friends, future starts with the youth. Come, let us do our part to combat this pandemic, and let us mark our presence with service to mankind, and keep in mind the code of ethics. Wishing you all a very happy Pharmacist Day, and praying Almighty to give us all strength, vision and wisdom to do our best. Thank you very much. Over to you, Shrishti.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was really inspiring. Now I would like to request Dr. Abhay Tarasi, Dean of Faculty of Pharmacy, to have share a few words with us. Sir, please.
Good afternoon, everybody. Greetings from Faculty of Pharmacy, Parul University, Gujarat. Most respected Dr. M.N. Patel, sir, Provost, Parul University. Respected Dr. Komal Patel, Managing Trustee, Parul University. Guests, fellow colleagues, and my dear students. I take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy Pharmacist Day and extend a warm welcome for the celebration of World Pharmacist Day. I thank the Gujarat State Pharmacy Council for sponsoring this event and being a part of this celebration. Faculty of Pharmacy, Parul University, comprises of 3 pharmacy colleges that offer almost all the pharmacy courses, and all of them are approved by the Pharmacy Council of India. These colleges are constituent institutes under Parul University, which is a research-oriented, student-centric, multidisciplinary state private university since 2015. In a short span of time, the university has emerged as a renowned higher education university. I congratulate all the students who have won prizes in the various events that were organized. My hearty congratulations are also to those students who actually participated in the events. On this World Pharmacist Day, let us pledge that together we will transform the global health. Stay safe and be a proud pharmacist. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to invite Dr. G.S. Chakraborty, Principal of Parul Institute of Pharmacy and Research, to say a few words. Please, sir.
Thank you, Srishti. Good afternoon, one and all. Respected Provost Sir, respected Komal Madam, respected Deans, Doctoral Study, Dr. Patel, Dean, Faculty of Pharmacy, Dr. Abhay Tarasi sir, and respected Khushbu Madam. Also my heartfelt greetings to Montu Patel sir. On this auspicious day of World Pharmacist, the theme where we have transforming the global health. Transforming the global health is a holistic approach where we have a combination of all the Indian system of medicine as well as the allopathy system of medicine. So being a major role playing of pharmacists. So I think that the science which we have or the knowledge knowledge which we have regarding the skills of manufacturing, regarding the skills of analysis, and pertaining these skills to dispense, say that the correct thing to the patient is our motive. So, this small theme of helping others in this pandemic situation, I pay my respect to all the fellow pharmacists, my seniors, my colleagues, my friends, those who have played a very important role in this, serving the nation 24/7. Just little words. I would also like to thank Dr. Lata Madam for giving an opportunity to share some views on this auspicious days of World Pharmacist. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much. It's a great pleasure to introduce our guest of honor, Mrs. Khushbu Mistry, Drug Inspector, FDCA, Vadodara. Ma'am has completed her M.Com and B.Com from SP University and currently pursuing her PhD from DDIE, Nadia. She has published a research paper in reputed journals in the Department of Pharmacology. She has been working with FDCA since 2012. Ma'am, please share a few words with us.
Very good afternoon. It is my great pleasure at this screen with the please Vanna. Very much pleased with you. Then I would like to thank Bharati for again inviting as a guest of honor for this such an youthful event, that is pharmacy celebration. I would like to first congratulate participants and like all the participants are very happy World Pharmacist. As now I've already told that celebrating this pharmacist day, as it was establishment of FIP, International Federation of Pharmacists, was established in 1912, and then after that we are celebrating this day, Pharmacist Day, and we are celebrating this day as a part of to achieve the goals of global health, goals decided in the United Nations. We as farmers, as we are representing registered professional, we are to achieve the global nation health goals. And as this year is a theme of transforming global health, as a theme for the world this celebration, we as a pharmacist have a better role to play this particular theme. As this is current time, which is a pandemic time going on, we have many challenges faced in COVID, during this COVID-19. So now we are as a key profession, we have many roles to play. As we know that we who can educate the patients as to stop the spread for this coronavirus. Along with we are here to supply, and we should be we should ensure the people that public that the affordability as well as safety and efficacious medicine will reach to the end users. I would like to state that I am as I am a part of a regulatory authority since March 2020. This when the COVID first case occurred, that is from 18th March, we are working for making the people safe availability of the either it was about the azithromycin or paracetamol medicine, each and every medicine. So it is our key responsibility as a pharmacist to make safe, efficacious and affordable medicines available to the people. That is the main goal which is there for transformation of a global health in this COVID challenge. I would like to congratulate Parul University, as I heard that there are around 400 registrations this year for this in this pandemic event. So I would like to congratulate Parul University for organizing such a youthful event, and I would like to congratulate all the participants for participating in this pandemic event through this virtual way. So once again, it's my great thanks to Parul University, as well as would like to wish everyone a happy Pharmacist Day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was really enlightening. I consider it as a great privilege to invite our chief guest, Mr. Montu Patel, President of Gujarat State Pharmacy Council. Mr. Patel is currently a council member of PCI and President of GSPC. He has 9 years of experience as a CEO and founder of Avian Pharmaceutical Distributor. Sir has completed his B.Pharm from Sri Swaminarayan Sanskar Pharmacy College, Gandhinagar. Sir, would you like to share some few words with us, please?
Thank you, madam. Happy Pharmacist Day to all. Thank you, Parul University, for arrangement. આજે ફાર્માસિસ્ટ ડે સેલિબ્રેટ કરવો અને બધાને સાથે મળીને કરવો એમાં બહુ ડિફરન્સ છે અને બધા જ લેવલના માણસો. થેન્ક યુ ડૉક્ટર કોમલ પટેલ, મેનેજિંગ ટ્રસ્ટી પારુલ યુનિવર્સિટી, ડૉક્ટર અભય ધરમસિંહ, ડીન ફેકલ્ટી ઓફ ફાર્મસી, વંદના પટેલ, ડૉક્ટર GS ચક્રવર્તી, ડૉક્ટર ખુશ્બુ મિસ્ત્રી, ડ્રગ ઇન્સ્પેક્ટર FDCA, ડૉક્ટર MN પટેલ, ઓનરેબલ પ્રોવોસ્ટ પારુલ યુનિવર્સિટી. બધાને એક જ પ્લેટફોર્મ ઉપર જોઈન કરીને ફાર્મસિસ્ટ ડે. આમ તો પારુલ યુનિવર્સિટીમાં ફાર્મસીની 3 કોલેજો છે, એટલે લગભગ ફાર્મસિસ્ટનું વજન વધારે જ હોવું જોઈએ પારુલ યુનિવર્સિટીમાં. અને તમે જે આ 3 કોલેજો સાથે મળીને જે ફાર્મસિસ્ટ ડેનું સેલિબ્રેશન કર્યું છે એના માટે ગુજરાત રાજ્ય ફાર્મસી કાઉન્સિલ આભાર વ્યક્ત કરે છે. અને જ્યારે પણ ફાર્મસી કાઉન્સિલની કંઈ પણ એક્ટિવિટી હોય, ચાહે ફાર્મસિસ્ટ ડે હોય, નેશનલ ફાર્મસી વીક હોય, રિફ્રેશર કોર્સ હોય, એમાં પારુલ યુનિવર્સિટી દરેક વખતે સામેથી અમારો એપ્રોચ કર્યો છે અને સામેથી સૌથી પહેલાં એમની પરમિશન માટે અરજી આવેલી હોય છે. એટલે આમ ફાર્માસિસ્ટો માટે બી સારું છે અને ફાર્મસી સ્ટુડન્ટ માટે પણ સારું છે કે ભાઈ ફાર્માસિસ્ટ માટે આટલું એમને ધ્યાન રાખે છે જ્યારે પણ એજ્યુકેશનમાં હોય ત્યારથી જ. તો ગુજરાત રાજ્ય ફાર્મસી કાઉન્સિલ વિશે જો હું વાત કરીશ તો અને ગુજરાત માટે તો જે ફાર્માસિસ્ટ ડે સેલિબ્રેશન સૌથી પહેલાં વર્ષો પહેલાં લગાવ્યો હતો, પણ ગુજરાત રાજ્ય ફાર્મસી કાઉન્સિલમાં જ્યારે અમારી ટીમ આવી પછી વિચાર્યું કે ભાઈ આપણે ફાર્માસિસ્ટો જ એકબીજાને ઓળખતા નથી. એટલીસ્ટ ફાર્માસિસ્ટની રિસ્પેક્ટ કરે એટલું તો આપણે પ્રયત્ન કરવો જોઈએ. તો આપણે ફાર્માસિસ્ટ ડે, ફાર્મસી વીક અને હવે ભવિષ્યમાં આપણે ફાર્માસિસ્ટનું નામ દે તો એટલું રિસ્પેક્ટથી કામ કરી આપે એ દિશામાં ફાર્માસિસ્ટ પ્રત્યેની પ્રોફેશનલિઝમ ડેવલપ કરવાની છે. એના માટે આ બધા ડેની ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ છે. અને આપણે જો એકબીજા ફાર્માસિસ્ટની ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ સમજીશું, સાથે સાથે આપણી આજુબાજુની પબ્લિક પણ સમજશે. અત્યારે પેન્ડેમિક સિચ્યુએશનમાં જેમ ડ્રગ ઇન્સ્પેક્ટર મેડમે કીધું કે બધું જ એમને ધ્યાન રાખ્યું છે, તો જ્યારે ફાર્માસિસ્ટ, ડ્રગ ઇન્સ્પેક્ટર હોય કે મેડિકલ સ્ટોરના ઓનર હોય કે ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીના માલિક હોય કે કંઈ પણ હોય, તો દવા બનાવવાથી માંડીને છેક પેશન્ટ સુધી પહોંચાડવા સુધી અને ડૉક્ટરને ઇવન નવી દવાના મોલેક્યુલ વિશે સમજાવવા સુધી ફાર્માસિસ્ટનો રોલ રહેલો છે. તો આમ તમે ગણો તો 90% ડૉક્ટર તો આપણે છીએ જ, ખાલી 10% પ્રિસ્ક્રિપ્શનના પાવર નથી આપણી પાસે. એટલે એ પાવર્સ પણ ફાર્મસી પ્રેક્ટિસ રેગ્યુલેશન 2015માં આપણને મળ્યા છે, પરંતુ પ્રિસ્ક્રિપ્શન હેન્ડલિંગ ચાર્જના મળ્યા છે. હવે આગળ જતાં ગુજરાત રાજ્ય ફાર્મસી કાઉન્સિલ, આપણે ફાર્મસી કાઉન્સિલ જે ફાર્મસિસ્ટની પ્રોફેશનલિઝમ કેમની ડેવલપ થાય એના માટે ફાર્મસી પ્રેક્ટિસ રેગ્યુલેશન 2015 જે આવ્યું છે એમાં પ્રિસ્ક્રિપ્શન હેન્ડલિંગ ચાર્જ તમે લઈ શકો. તો આગળ જતાં આ પણ ઇમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ થાય એમાં કોઈ નવાઈ નથી, કારણ કે ટેલિમેડિસિન ગવર્મેન્ટ ઓફ ગુજરાત અને ગવર્મેન્ટ ઓફ ઇન્ડિયા ઇમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ કરી નાખ્યું છે આવી પેન્ડેમિક સિચ્યુએશનમાં પેશન્ટને દવા અને બધી માહિતી આપે એના માટે. તો એમાં પણ ફાર્મસિસ્ટનો એક ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ રોલ રહેલો છે. તો ટેલિમેડિસિન હોય કે ઓનલાઈન ફાર્મસી હોય કે ઓફલાઈન ફાર્મસી હોય કે ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી હોય, દરેકમાં ફાર્મસિસ્ટનો ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ રોલ રહેલો છે. તો ફાર્મસિસ્ટ ડે સેલિબ્રેશન કરવું જોઈએ અને દર વર્ષે કરવું જોઈએ, ચાહે આપણે કોલેજમાં ભણતા હોય કે ના ભણતા હોય. આજે મેં 5 વર્ષમાં મારો પહેલો દિવસ આજે એવો છે કે ઘણા બધા લોકો એટલા બધા વોટ્સઅપ અને મેસેજ કર્યા છે ફાર્મસિસ્ટ ડે, જેમ પોતાનું બર્થડે સેલિબ્રેશન કરતા હોય બધા ફાર્મસિસ્ટે ફાર્મસિસ્ટ ડે સેલિબ્રેશન કર્યું છે. એટલે આપણે ધીમે ધીમે જાગૃતતા લાવે છે અને આટલા લેવલે પહોંચી શક્યા છે. તો દરેકનો આમાં રોલ રહેલો છે. અને પારુલ યુનિવર્સિટીનું તો નામ પણ છે અને ત્યાં પણ જોબ ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટી પણ ઘણી રહેલી છે. અને પારુલ યુનિવર્સિટીની નજીકમાં કેન્દ્ર સરકારે આપણે ભરૂચ અંકલેશ્વર 1000 કરોડ રૂપિયા ફાળવ્યા છે, જેમાં API પાર્ક અને રાજકોટ પાસે મેડિકલ ડિવાઇસ પાર્ક. એટલે ફાર્માસિસ્ટનો ગોલ્ડન પીરિયડ ચાલુ થવાનો છે કે જે લોકોની પાસે સ્કિલ છે, જેની પાસે નોલેજ છે, એ લોકો હવે ક્યાંય પાછા પડશે નહીં અને એમને મન ભાવે એવી સેલેરી પણ મળી શકશે. એટલે પોતાની ડિમાન્ડ પોતે જાતે જ ક્રિએટ કરી શકશે. તો આ બધી જ ગુજરાતમાં જે ગોલ્ડન ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટી રહેલી છે, કારણ કે આખા ઇન્ડિયામાંથી ગુજરાતને સિલેક્ટ કરવામાં આવ્યું છે. અને બીજું છે કે આખા વર્લ્ડમાં જે જેનરિક સપ્લાય થાય છે એમાં પણ આપણી ગુજરાતમાં દર 10 જેનરિક જ્યારે ફોરેનમાં ખવાતી હોય એમાંથી 2 ગુજરાતમાં બનેલી હોય છે. તો આટલું આપણું ફાર્માસિસ્ટોનું ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ છે ને ફાર્મા ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીનું ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ છે. તો આ દરેક લેવલે આપણે સાથે મળીને ફાર્માસિસ્ટોનું ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ વધે ને જ્યાં પણ તમે એક બીજી જગ્યાએ જોબ કરતા હોય ત્યાં પણ ફાર્માસિસ્ટનું ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ સમજો. હવે નાના મોટા પ્રોબ્લેમ દરેક ફિલ્ડમાં છે એ આપણે ઇગ્નોર કરીને પોઝિટિવ વેમાં આગળ વધવું જોઈએ. અને ફાર્માસિસ્ટ ડે નિમિત્તે દરેક પાર્ટિસિપન્ટ જે લોકો ફર્સ્ટ સેકન્ડ ને થર્ડ જે લોકો આવ્યા હશે એ લોકોને હું કોંગ્રેચ્યુલેશન કહું છું. અને આગળ પણ તમે આ રીતે ફર્સ્ટ સેકન્ડ થર્ડ ઇન્ડિયા લેવલે અને વર્લ્ડ લેવલે આવો અને ગુજરાતનું નામ રોશન થાય એ રીતે કામ કરો એવી ફાર્મસી કાઉન્સિલ વતી હું ઈચ્છા વ્યક્ત કરું છું. થેન્ક યુ. જય હિન્દ, જય ભારત. હેપી ફાર્માસિસ્ટ ડે ટુ ઓલ. થેન્ક યુ મેડમ. થેન્ક યુ લલિત લતા મેડમ for arrangement and approaching me as a chief guest. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Amin Patel, Honorable Provost, Parul University, to share a few words with us. Sir.
Namaskar to one and all. I hope so that everyone I am audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
It's a really pleasure and proud moment for me that the 3 colleges of Parul University jointly celebrating Pharmacy Day. No doubt I am associated with Parul since last 3 years, and almost I have observed that every year there was no doubt as an individual Skanderson College they were celebrating the day, but this is the first time that all have joined together, put their hand together, and they are celebrating this World Pharma Day with the support of Gujarat State Pharmacy Council. So on that occasion we have a right person as a guest. Just we have heard that Montu Patel and Dr. Khushbu Mistry regarding their views for Pharmacy Day. But I can say that the celebration of day is not only just to remember a particular day, but some output should be come out from that so that we can serve the society in a better way. And whenever that people are working in a big group, obviously more and more interaction, healthy competition may take place, and to that the good results may come out. I'm not giving the name of all those who are there, otherwise my 5 minutes will be over. That's why I'm not taking the name of all the person. But whatever thing is going on, it is really very good as it is said that the registration is more than 400. So it is a very good sign. I think so many students outside the Parul also might have taken the interest in that. And whenever there is exchange of a young mind from each places, obviously as Montu Patel said that there should be a good interaction. So obviously this is a very good learning exercise. As we said that 2020 is a particular year which we have never thought in January that this type of situation will arise and put us everyone into such a cumbersome position that everybody has a panic, everybody has a fear. And then what is our role as a pharmacist or what is our role as a particular person? So that we have to think, and this type of activity obviously will give some of the thoughts and idea which we can put forward so that we will help the society. Yesterday I was just seeing some of the program on TV, and I heard that the secretary of the CM of Maharashtra, after giving some information regarding this pandemic, Corona-19 data and everything, he just while giving the information he get collapsed, saying that so many people are dying with the lack of money, with the lack of some of the facility. As we are seeing that there are no oxygen bottles are available, oxynometer that we have to go, or other PPE are not in that much, the medicine is not still, or a vaccine is not still available. So such a pitiable condition which the society is facing now, and being a pharmacist, it is our role that how we can put some of the solution so society panic or fear can be reduced. Everybody has a right, as we say that the right of education, we have a right of information. Similarly, the right of medicine also be there. Everyone must have a right to enjoy the facility of medicine. But even though the right is there, but as we are hearing that some people are dying due to lack of medicine, really it is a surprising and shocking, rather we can say that it is little bit on same part on our that so many industries we have, especially Gujarat is concerned, we have more than 40% pharmaceutical industry available over here. But against that, we are not providing, but we have heard that in the near future the corona vaccine may come. But meanwhile, our young mind can think in this direction what best help we can give to the patient. No doubt, so many hospitals are ready to give the services to that. Good sign for India, as we are knowing that our recovery rate is almost more than 80%. Mortality rate has also sizably reduced and come 1.7. Even though it is not sufficient, and we can do something for the society by celebrating the Swasth Pharma Days. As someone was Montu Patel was saying that we don't have a right of writing the prescription, but I've seen that in USA, the right of prescription is only with the pharmacist. Doctors are only examining the patients. So like that, we hope so that we will reach to that quality level of work. Obviously, that powers may also come to you, and hope so you will enjoy that power in coming days. But today's day is a very important day. No doubt the previous what we have celebrated, we were gathered together so many numbers, but today we are sitting in front of this computer, desktop, laptop, and we are talking with each other. But also that this is also a new technique, new learning, and with this what best we can do, I think we will celebrate this day, then it will be rather, we can say that the purpose of celebrating will be satisfied. My best wishes to all coordinators, 3 principals, and the students, those who are just taking part in that. And obviously this type of celebration will is additional learning, give lots to us, will build our competition, give motivation. So my best wishes to all the 3 pharmacy college and all participants and faculty friends. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to invite Dr. Komal Patel, Managing Trustee, Parul University, to share a few words with us. Ma'am, please. To continue with the session.
Yes. Please wait. Srushti madam, we will wait. Madam has some network issue. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Hello, Srushti madam. We will start next our next event. Yes, madam will join soon.
Okay. Okay, now I would like to invite to call few of our participants to share their experience with us. Pratika Agrawal from first semester SOP. Pratika.
Yes. So first of all, happy Pharmacist Day to everyone present over here.
Happy Pharmacist Day.
If I'll talk about my experience, actually I took part in essay competition and my overall experience was very, very informative just because I got to know about the importance of pharmacists in this pandemic time. Also, I got to know about the importance of pharmacists in transformation of global healthcare. So that was much informative and interesting for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Pratika. I would like to call Sumi Gupta, 7th Sem PIPR.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to thank the entire committee of SOP for organizing this wonderful virtual Pharmacist Day celebration. Since we are in the final year, previously we thought that we would actively participate in all the events, but none of us were aware that we will be stuck in such a pandemic situation of COVID-19. But thanks to SOP and the Faculty of Pharmacy for organizing this so that we could participate in this. About the event, like from the registration to the conduction of the event, everything was organized so smoothly, and virtually conducted means generally working on a digital platform. It has really given a very good, beneficial and informative experience. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sumi. Now I would like to invite one of our respected jury member, Dr. Dipti Patel, Professor, Department of Pharmaceutics, PIPR, to share her experience with us. Please, ma'am.
Yes. First of all, happy World Pharmacist Day to all.
Happy World Pharmacist Day to you too, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you for providing me the opportunity to judge the e-poster. I appreciate the efforts put by each participant in the preparation of the e-poster. The posters were evaluated on the basis of content, novelty, presentation, and suitability with the theme. All cannot get the award, right? But you all are the winner for me. I also want to say that participation is more important than winning. So all the best to all of you. I want to congratulate the whole team for organizing the wonderful event on this World Pharmacist Day. It was an excellent experience in a virtual event. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Another jury members are here. I would like to call Madhu ma'am or Tanvi ma'am to share her experience with us. Ma'am, please.
Yes. Hello, Srushti madam.
Yes, madam.
We'll hold for Komal madam has joined. We'll take her words first. Thank you.
Yes. I'd like to request Dr. Komal Patel, Managing Trustee, Parul University, to share her few words with us. Ma'am.
Good afternoon all, and sorry for the inconvenience. There was some network issue, so it might happen again, and I may lose connection with all of you guys. So pardon for me for that. So first of all, happy World Pharmacist Day to all of you. And as this time theme is transforming global health, and this quote highlights the transformative role all pharmacists play in life and well-being of our community, especially in this COVID pandemic. And as you all know, then when this COVID pandemic has started, there was a quite chaos, and no one was aware about how to manage this situation. But gradually, as the wheel has started rolling, gradually when new cases have came in our hospital, gradually when we came to know about the symptoms, gradually we can able to handle the situation. Similarly, for all pharmacists also, the new drugs were started emerging for this COVID diseases. Many researches, many studies have done for this course. For this SARS virus, and new drugs had invented for treating the underlying symptoms of this COVID pandemic, and pharmacists have played a big role for researching new molecules for this COVID disease. And from research to healthcare, pharmacists are everywhere. Pharmacists are giving service to everywhere. So this time, pharmacists have played a major role as a COVID warrior in treating and service in treating the patient and serving the community. So many congratulations to all of you on this World Pharmacist Day for your best role as a COVID warrior in this COVID pandemic. And I would like to say a motivational story on this occasion. Once upon a time, there was a man, and he has his favorite donkey. And one day he went into a village and then into a farm for grazing purpose for his donkey. So what happened that in a big dip, that big pit, that monkey has fallen down. And then he tried to pull him out of that pit, but somehow it was not possible to pull pulled the donkey by that man. So he believed that he may have to bury this donkey alive. So what he started pouring soil into that pit, thinking that he have to bury that donkey alive. But as he started pouring soil into that pit, the layer by layer soil will started accumulating and starting loading on the back of the donkey, and donkey can feel the load of that soil, and he started climbing on the layer of that soil. So what happened, gradually he started layer by layer on that soil layer, and on that soil, and gradually he was able to came out of
Yes. Hello, Srishti madam. I think madam has lost her connection. Yes, we will continue. Yes, she may join.
We
Yes,
have
thank
few of our, yes, ma'am. We have few of our jury members here. Tanvi ma'am, would you like to share your experience with us, please?
Sure, Srushti. Thank you.
Thank you.
First of all, good afternoon all. I wish all a very happy World Pharmacist Day. Thank you organizing team members for giving me opportunity to evaluate the slogan. The students have actively participated in slogan writing competition. The efforts made by the students were very good and innovative, touching this theme of World Pharmacist Day, that is transforming global health, which is an opportunity to communicate how pharmacists are transforming health through a variety of health services in their communities, and also ensuring that the medicines are taken correctly and thereby managing the disease well and the improving quality of life. On the education front, pharmacy educators are transforming outcomes by ensuring that there are enough qualified and competent pharmacists and scientists to meet the growing needs of our societies. I wish all the best to budding pharmacists. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable opinion. I would like to call Madhvi Patel, ma'am. She is one of our jury members. Please, ma'am, share your experience with us.
Thank you, Srushti. Good afternoon, one and all. It is well said that cannot imagine patient without doctors and medicine without pharmacists. So, congratulations and my sincere thanks to all pharmacists for their great work, especially in these trying times of a COVID-19 pandemic. Participants came out with variety of ideas on given theme, including artificial intelligence, and I appreciate efforts of all the participants. Thank you for providing me opportunity to judge e-poster. Congratulations to all winners in advance and participants. Wish you all happy Pharmacist Day. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Babita Chaubey, Academic Director, Parul University, to announce the winner of the World Pharmacist Day 2020. Ma'am, please.
I can say something. Good afternoon, all of you. I can say medicine gives life to the patient. Pharmacists give life to medicine. We all are gathered here to appreciate the great service pharmacists provide to the medical industry. A huge thank you to all the fabulous pharmacists who work day and night and strive to improve patient care. I wish every one of you, every sector in helping to improve the health care of your community. Okay, I will not take up too much of your time. I know that you all are very eager to know your results. But before that, one thing I would like to say is that I am proud of every one of you and the result doesn't matter. The most important thing is that you all are participate and enjoy yourself. So I can announce the result. Essay writing competition, third rank goes to Veer Jaswant Bhai Patel. Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. You are audible. Yes, ma'am.
Second winner is Durba Jyoti De. And first winner, Sai Sabat Nair for essay writing competition. E-poster competition. Third winner, Shiva Prasad Ulaichi.
Hello.
Third winner is also Gugam Dinesh, Panjwal Godpre, Purnima Singh, Smita Sonu Palkar. Second winner, Sarvani Kapuri. And first rank is goes to Aishwarya Jain and slogan competition. Third prize to Sai Sabat Naik and Gungan Dinesh Kumar. And second winner is Dars Manish Bhai Shah. And first winner is Mohammad Sabitan Kadri. Slogan competition. Quiz competition. Each certificate will be given to the participants having more than 50% of correct answer. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Babita ma'am. Congratulations to all the winners and participants as well. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Anand Pitharia, Vice Principal of School of Pharmacy and Coordinator of the World Pharmacist Day 2020, to deliver a vote of thanks. Please, sir.
Thank you, Srishti Madam. Dr. Komal Patel has given us all the best wishes for this event. Due to some network issues, he is not able to join right now. So, on the occasion of World Pharmacist Day 2020, which is on the theme of transforming global health, on behalf of Faculty of Pharmacy, Parul University, I am thankful to Dr. Komal Patel Madam, Managing Trustee and member of the governing body, Parul University, Dr. M.N. Patel Sir, Honorable Provost, Parul University, Shri Montu Patel Sir, President, Gujarat State Pharmacy Council and Chief Guest of today's program, Dr. Khushbu Mistry, Drug Inspector, FDCA, Vadodara, and the guest of honor of the today's program. I would also like to thank Dr. Abhay Dharamsi Sir, Dean, Faculty of Pharmacy and Principal, Parul Institute of Pharmacy, Dr. Vandana Patel, Dean, Doctoral Studies, Dr. M.R. Yadav, Director, Center for the Research and Development, Parul University, Dr. G.S. Chakraborty, Principal of Parul Institute of Pharmacy and Research, and Dr. Lalit Lada Jha, Principal, School of Pharmacy, for providing their continuous guidance and the support. I am also thankful to Dr. Babita Chobe, Dr. Manisha Pathak, and Shri Mahesh Bhatt Sir, Academic Directors, Parul University, for providing continuous motivation to us. I am also thankful to all the participants who are from the different pharmacy colleges across the India. I wholeheartedly thankful to all the event coordinators and judges for smooth conduction and execution of all the events. I would also like to thank Sri Brijesh Acharya and Sri Dhruvil Shah for managing this event successfully. I once again thank you all again for this program. And again, I would like to declare the result with their name of the institutes. Essay writing competition, first prize goes to Sai Sambit Nayak, SLT Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Guru Ghasidas Vishwavidyalaya, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. Second prize goes to Dhruba Jyoti De, Parul Institute of Pharmacy, Vadodara. Third prize goes to Veer Jashwantbhai Patel, Research Scholar from Gujarat Graduate School of Pharmacy, GTU, Ahmedabad. In e-poster event, the first winner is Aishwarya Jain and Nitin Deshmukh from the Elixir Institute of Pharmacy, Warwadi, Pune. Second prize goes to Sarvani Kopuri from the KVSR Siddharth Colleges of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Third prize goes to two different teams. First team is Gungoman Dinesh, Prajwal Gadge, Purnima Singh and Smita Sonwarkar from the Faculty of Pharmacy, MS University of Baroda, Vadodara. Again, third prize goes to Siva Prasad Ulichi from the Sri Vishnu College of Pharmacy, Bhimavaram, Andhra Pradesh. In slogan competition, first prize goes to Mohammad Siptain Kadri, PG student from Department of Environmental Sciences, Bharati Darshan University, Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. Second prize goes to Darsh Manishbhai Shah from Anand Pharmacy College, Anand. Third prize goes to two participants. SLT Institute of Pharma Science, Guru Ghasidas Vishwavidyalaya, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. And second here is the Gungomen Dinesh from Faculty of Pharmacy, MS University of the Baroda. Congratulate all the winners of the team, and again congratulate to all participants also for getting all the active participation in the various events of the World Pharmacy Day 2020. Thank you all. Over to Srushti Madam.
Thank you, sir. Now we can conclude the session. Thank
Yes.
you all of you for being present here and participations.
Thank you, Srushti, and congratulations, Anand sir, for wonderful conduct of the event.
Thank you, ma'am.
And congratulations,
Thank you.
Lata.
Thank you, Madam.
Okay.